What do you call this?
Kleenex.
What do you call this?
Paper towel. Toilet paper.
This is tissue. This is tissue. This is tissue.
They're all tissue.
Tissue.
Catheter.
Catheter.
Oh, this one's really good. Potassium.
Potassium.
Torvastatin.
Atorvastatin.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus. Hello. This is Nurse Ange, proud Filipino nurse working here in North Dakota, USA. Charo. Filipino nurse po. Kasimula ko lang last year. Anyway, first time ko to. May napanood ako kanina. Compare natin yung Filipino accent to American accent. Ang listahan dito. Pupuntahan natin yung charge nurse ko. And list of words here.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Caramel.
Caramel.
That one is controversial. We have caramel or caramel. Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
Salmon.
Salmon.
Salmon. Salmon. 20.
20.
Joanne.
Joanne.
3.
3.
3. Cefazolin.
In the Philippines, I used to call it cefazolin.
Ciprofloxacin.
Ciprofloxacin, yeah.
Torvastatin.
Atorvastatin.
Oh, this one's really good. Potassium.
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 Calcium. Magnesium. This one. I can never get this right.
Cefapime.
I always say cefapime. That's how I used to say it.
Catheter. Catheter.
Catheter. I'm crying.
Respiratory.
Respiratory.
Respiratory. Tramadol.
Tramadol.
Normal saline.
Normal saline.
There's no line. Ew. Antibiotic.
Antibiotic.
And
What do you look for, or where do you go when you need to pee?
the bathroom.
We look for the CR.
CR? What is the CR?
Comfort room.
Never heard that before.
What do you call this?
Kleenex.
What do you call this?
Paper towel. Toilet paper.
This is tissue. This is tissue. This is tissue.
They're all tissue.
Say tissue.
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 Filipinos.
Ayun na nga. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Hindi ko malakasan yung boses ko kasi baka marinig ako ng mga pasyente. Nandun naman sila. Hirap kumita ng pera. Kailangan isipin mo muna yung sasabihin mo bago mo i-deliver. Kasi kung hindi, bulol-bulol ka, nakakayam. Anyway, mababait yung mga kasama namin. Mababait sila. Wala pang kahit isa na tumawa o pumansin sa kung anong yung accent ko. Ganun, madalas. Makikita mo sila na yan naman ganyan. Pero hindi ka nila naiintindihan minsan kapag kami sinasabi ka. Yung mga pasyente, ang puri sa mga Pilipino, madaling intindihin yung salita. Yung mga salita nila. O natin pala. Hindi ba? American yan. Charot. Yun lang. Bye.